Hello, we're Amcor Trading Inc. out of Byron, Georgia. We're the makers of Triclone products. We're very excited to bring our third product called Triclone TREX 1000 and Triclone TREX 2000. TREX 1000 is compatible with the steel, straight shaft gas power, and TREX 2000 is compatible with Echo, Husqvarna, and all others. Straight shaft gas power weeder. Today I'm going to demonstrate how to install the TREX 1000 to a steel FSA 240R. First, stick this pin into the hole and unscrew the head. And every box comes with a spacer. Place the spacer, put the dust cover back on, and screw it on. And the TREX 1000 and 2000 series can both take 0.060 inch wire all the way up to 0.120 inch wire. This is a 0.095 inch wire. Make sure the arrows on the spool cap and the trimmer head is lined up, so you can put one line through here and another line through here, so you could have 4 wire instead of 2. Before you do that, make sure about 4 or 5 inches of wire is straight, so it could go through the trimmer head when you're feeding in there. It's a lot easier. And just pull through. Through here, and make sure it's somewhat even. Before you start cranking it. So TREX 1000 and 2000, it is a quick load, so once you make sure the line's somewhat even, start cranking. As you can see, it's pretty simple. It's full wire. It gives you increased cutting power. And help you finish your job faster. And we made a trim head so where people said the trim head is very hard to open, just apply equal pressure to both ends of a knob. Simple as that. It's very easy. And then we place the spring at the upper chamber so you don't lose it, even though you create a hole when you're working. And because our better spring, you have a better control over feeding of your line, so you don't get unnecessary amount of line fed during your operation. Okay, and if you're interested in our product, please look us up. Triclone TREX 1000, Triclone TREX 2000 on our website, amkorti.com. Thank you.